Hello guys, in this video we are going to cover why and when the internal pin or internal hinge or the internal roller is placed and what is the need to place the internal pin, hinge or roller support. So the summary is here. The existence of an internal pin in a member in a rigid frame or beam results in only shear and axial loads being transferred through the frame or beam at its location. This reduces the number of unknowns and hence redundancies. Since an additional equation is available for solving the unknown, the sum of moments, for example, the sum of moments about the pin equals to 0. Summation m is equal to 0. So due to the internal pin support, there will be additional equation to solve the unknowns of that frame. Whereas in case of internal roller, there are two additional equations are available for the solving the unknowns. Sum of the horizontal forces and the sum of moments are equal to 0 at the roller. Summation m is equal to 0 and summation fh horizontal is equal to 0. So due to internal pin there will be one additional equation to solve the unknowns of that frame, and due to the presence of internal roller there will be additional two equations to solve the unknowns of that structure. What are these two equations? Summation m means moment is equal to 0 at that point, or summation forces fx forces or fh forces, horizontal forces or forces along the x-axis is equal to 0. As you can see in this pictures, there is roller support and there is pin support at that point, at that circle. So the symbol of internal roller and internal pin shown in the diagram. In conclusion of an internal roller within a member result in the release of moment capacity, and in addition the force parallel to the roller and hence provide two additional equations as shown in following example in which roller has been inserted in member AB. So we can say that due to internal pin or roller we can convert the indeterminate structure to the determinate structure by adding the internal pin or roller support, because due to internal pin or roller we have additional equations to solve the unknowns of that structure.